Which institute has developed new non-toxic molecules for treating Alzheimer's disease? Aadharkar Research Institute, Pune Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, Chennai. Aadharkar Research Institute, Pune. Explanation: the Aadharkar Research Institute, RE, in Pune has been actively involved in research on Alzheimer's disease and has developed novel, non-toxic molecules aimed at treating the condition. Their research has focused on identifying and synthesizing compounds that can target the underlying mechanisms of Alzheimer's disease. Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. While the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, is a premier research institute, it is not specifically known for its breakthrough in developing new non-toxic molecules for treating Alzheimer's. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, AIIMS, being a leading medical institution, likely conducts research on various diseases, but its direct involvement in developing specific non-toxic molecules for Alzheimer's might not be as prominent. Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, Chennai. The Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, ACSIR, is a network of CSIR laboratories and institutes, and while they conduct research across various scientific domains, it's not the primary institute known for this specific accomplishment.